up and welcome back to my channel. It's Kenya. Today's video is going to be an everyday makeup routine. I am in the middle of my eyebrows and I just kind of wanted to turn on the camera and show you guys what I do because it's super simple and super easy. It's definitely for the people who aren't that big into beating their face, or if you are into beating your face and you just want those natural days, this is for you. Before we get started, I just want to say be sure to follow me on Instagram at KenyaAlexis_, or follow my business page if you're into all natural plant-based skincare at Shop by Sita, and check out my website shopbycita.com. So obviously I'm in the middle of doing my eyebrows. So I use like Anastasia, I don't know. I used to say Anastasia before I started hearing like other people say Anastasia, and I was like, oh. The concealer I use is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey, and let me tell you, this concealer is the bomb. Like, I thought it was overhyped before I bought it, and I was like, it's just gonna be okay. No, it's great. It's amazing. I just wish it was like more available in other places. Like, usually you can only find it at hair stores, but I wish it was like in Walmart and stuff. Maybe it is in Walmart and I just never check or something. Has anyone ever tried a derma roller? Because I've noticed like my skin has little dots, kind of like indentions in it, and I know a derma roller can help fix it, but I just don't want to buy a derma roller and it ends up being like an awful brand or something. If anyone's ever tried a derma roller, can you guys let me know what brand you use and if you liked it or not? Because I feel like that's something I should add to my routine. When you guys do your eyebrows, do you guys get it waxed? Or do you guys get it threaded? Or I don't know if lasering eyebrows is a thing, but do you guys get your eyebrows lasered? Let me know, because I've always gotten them waxed and I haven't never had a problem with it, I don't think, but maybe threading would be better, because I do notice like when I get my eyebrows waxed, it always ends up looking thin, even though I always say just kind of go, like I always go with my eyebrows like already like filled in, so I can just tell them, hey, just clean up right there, don't touch anything else. And sometimes they don't listen to me. Eyebrows change everything. I just want to brush them up and then do that, brush them up and do that. And then I'm gonna take my lengthening mascara. It's just the L'Oreal Telescopic, not cruelty free. I'll find a cruelty free one. I will. I heard like Serendipity is a good cruelty free brand, but I never tried it before, obviously. So if you guys have any cruelty-free makeup brands, let me know that are good and everything like that. Yes. Most of the time I don't wear eyeshadow. I just put mascara on and I go. But today, what I usually do is I take the Anastasia Master Palette by Mario. I take Viola and I take Isabel and I kind of mix it together, and tap off the excess as always. And then I'm gonna just go in. And I just put that all over my eye. Let me do that side. Just like that, just simple. Like I like a smoky look. And I just take the smaller side and I just go with the Isabel again, and I just kind of focus it more on the lid, even though it doesn't look like it's making a difference. But I still do it. And then I sometimes go in and just highlight the inner corners. But for the purpose of this video, I guess I will do that. And then I'm just going Marina, which is right there. Yeah, right there. Ooh, 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 ooh. Then tap that. Yes. And then for like under my eyebrow, just so I can like blend everything again, I'm just gonna go in with my mineralized skin finish, natural and dark. Do people even still use this? I remember when this was poppin'. This right here used to be poppin'. Like everyone used to use a mineralized skin finish natural, and now they just don't anymore. But I still love it. I would buy it again and again and again and again and again and again. Now I'm moving on to mascara, which I love so much because I have no eyelashes. Going with my L'Oreal Telescopic, 2 or 3 layers of a lengthening mascara, which I'm doing now. That's 1 layer. Something that I like to close my eye just because I feel like it helps get the flare that I want. I could be wrong, I could be tripping, but that's 2. Do I need another one? Do I need another layer? Okay, let me do the other side. Layer number 2. And it's kind of sad when I still use mascara because if you ever like go through my Twitter, you'll see like I posted something about like all the ingredients and all the bad stuff that's in mascara. And I'm still using it just because mascara is just such a nice thing. Like it makes me feel so girly and flirty and flirtatious, like lashes, just, you know. Okay, so after I use 2 to 3 coats of my lengthening mascara, I like to go in with a volumizing mascara, and that is what helps give it the pop, you know, the pop, okay? So this one is the voluminous, waterproof Miss Manga L'Oreal mascara. Usually I just keep my eyes closed. My eyes closed. I'm pretty without makeup, but with makeup, it's just a whole nother level. It's just like, dang girl, dang. Okay. And I just did 1 coat. I'm just gonna do 1 coat. And then I'm gonna do the other side. And remember, don't do this. Twist it to get product, okay? And do the other side. So what's enough? My eyelashes, I like to move on to my face. So I'm, like I said, I'm really into a natural look. So with natural look, you gotta have the natural glow, right? So what I like to do is use a MAC strobe cream. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, depending on how much natural glow I already have going on. And where I'm going if I'm trying to take pics and stuff like that. So I use a MAC strobe cream. The lady at MAC, she told me that this one's good for all skin tones. Since I did leave some of my stuff, like my beauty blender and all that at my school, at my dorm, I'm just gonna take these little basic cotton rounds. I'm just gonna take that, don't judge me. Just dab it on. The key to finding like where you should put your highlight is find where the light reflects it the most and just go there. Same thing on this side. And I kind of like to bring it into because it makes it look like a healthier glow kind of. And I put some here. And then we put it at the tip of my nose because I have a really round nose and I don't want to make it pop any more than it already does. And just kind of focus on that part. And then I put some right here and I put some right here. And I'm just gonna use my fingers Like, everyone trying to use sponges and brushes and all that kind of stuff all the time. Like, bro, you can just use your fingers. And then I like to put some right there and just blend that up and down and all that kind of stuff. And then also some right there. If I was doing like my full face, usually I would put the concealer on, and then the contour, and then I would put the strobe cream on, and then I would put the foundation on, and then I would put the powder highlighter on. But since I'm doing my simple everyday makeup, if I felt like I needed to conceal that day, I would do the concealer, and then do the strobe cream, and then do powder. But since I don't feel like I need to conceal or anything, I'm just doing the strobe cream, and then I'm going to put the powder on. So I'm going to use my little cotton rounds again, and honestly just powder, just so my skin can look somewhat smooth. I don't want to focus on my eyebrows, make sure everything's blended there, and then I will move on. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this CoverGirl, not Curly Free, CoverGirl Queen Jumbo Gloss Balm in the color,
I guess soft shine. I don't think that's the color.
It's brown. It has a brown top. I don't even know if they still sell this anymore. And I'm going to take the Benefit Sugar Bomb. It's obviously a sample size, but I love it. It's so nice and smooth. I'm going to take the Sugar Bomb and use that as well. And then take the Sugar Bomb. I guess the color is Ultra Plush. I guess. I don't know. And then I just put that in the middle of my lips to make them look nice and kissable. Yeah, that is really all I do for my everyday makeup routine. Totally simple, easy. The longest part is the eyebrows, honestly. This is the look. Super easy, super simple. If you guys want any more videos like these, let me know by liking this video if you want to. Be sure to subscribe if you want to, and leave a comment down below if you want to as well. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.